Good day. We are the Group C and we're gonna tackle about the skills demonstration number 2. And the problem is linear actuator is automatically in extend position once compressed air from air distribution flow to pneumatic manifold. Actuator will only retract if three two-way directional control valve with mechanically roller operated spring return actuation is reached. It will only extend once push button of three two-way directional control valve with manually push button and spring return actuation is pressed then release. And here's the pneumatic circuit diagram.
In our pneumatic circuit diagram, first we draw is of course, our air supply or the tank where air supply came from. And our next is the FRL or filter, regulator, and lubrication for our air to be control its pressure. And our next is our 3-2-way bulb, which is our start push button or the bulb that will start the flow of the current to the main circuit. And first component is yung ating 3-2-way bulb, normally close, push button, manually push button, and spring return. Second component is yung ating 5-2-way bulb na pneumatically actuated both. And next is our double acting cylinder, and next is our roller operated, which is these are the component that we are going to use in the given problem. And this is the actual of our circuit diagram that we made based on the problem.
So, once na namin yung shut-off valve, no, automatically mag-extend yung linear actuator. Then, pag natamaan niya yung roller-operated na 3-2-way, yun yung mag-a-actuate yung second position ng 5-2-way, which magkakos ng magre-retract yung linear actuator. And once na pinush yung 3-2-way DCV push button and spring return actuated, mag-e-extend yung actuator. Then pag nirelease yung push button is saka naman magre-retract lang yung actuator. Yun yung nandyan sa first attempt. Sa second attempt naman, inoff namin yung shut-off valve. Then pag-on namin, hindi na first sequence, which is yung automatically extend yung actuator, then retract once na natamaan yung roller. Hindi na nagawa yung sequence na yun.
So sa troubleshoot, ang nahanapan namin ng butas dito sa pneumatic circuit na to is, ang na-troubleshoot namin, yung 5-2-way, hindi siya nabalik sa current or sa default position. That's why hindi siya doon nagka-problema doon sa paggawa ng circuit. Ayun lang yung na-troubleshoot namin dito sa pneumatic circuit na to. Hindi nabalik sa default position yung 5-2-way valve.
So that's conclude our explanation in our skills demonstration number 2. Thank you.